What is up, guys? Mastic over here. Today I'm going to show you how to change front rotors and only rotors on this 2006 Nissan Altima. This applies to, I think, any Altima from 2003 up to 2006. So let's get straight to it. First, what you want to do is take out this wheel. This is a 21mm socket right here, and I am on the side of the street. Now, I don't have my jack stands. Don't come at me in the comments. I have a pretty safe jack, but I'm just gonna put this for safety right there. Now, what we're gonna do is, oops, there goes my glasses, is turn the wheel to the right so we can get the most amount of access to the rear caliper. Okay, so now that we have access to the rear side of the caliper, not the rear caliper. So, we're gonna take a 19mm flex or swivel socket and take those out. Oh, actually, before we do that, kind of did it too quick. Let me just put this back. Before we do this, so it's easier for me to install the new rotors, just want to put this I don't know why it keeps on turning. Here we go. I think I left the stupid key inside. Cool. Alright. Now, I'm going to take this off. 19mm. There's another 19mm right here. I want to put it right here. Hang it, come on. There you go. Alright, this thing comes out. Now, before you install the new rotor, what you want to do is get something like this. I'm going to be sure to link it in the description. Even though I don't like it, pretty much the first adapter broke, but it worked. Cool. Take this. Just take all the debris off from these studs. Cool. Now our new rotor is ready to be put on. I went ahead and I put the brand new rotor. Got to record. I cleaned it off camera, blah blah blah, front and back. And I made sure to wipe it with the microfiber towel. And now we're ready to put the caliper right on, including the bracket, obviously, right back on the rotor. Like this. Boom. Right, you gotta make sure to align it right here. I don't know if you guys can see. Right there. Just aligned it right here at the bottom. I'm sorry, at the top. And then, let's see, I'm gonna align it at the bottom. Something feels wrong to me over here. Don't know what the hell it is. Okay, got something wrong. Okay, this is all the way in. Right here. What about this crap? Oh, got him. You guys can't see, fortunately, because the area is so tight. Everything is on, moving pretty freely. There's no retainer bolts, unfortunately. It's just clean. the hub, sorry, where the wheel meets the rotor. Right here. Cool. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the wheel back on. Okay, so we go ahead, tighten these lug nuts to star pattern and a star pattern. Work spec is 80 or 90, but this one is just about right. There we go. All right, and we are done. Go ahead and lower the car, break in the rotors. I'll show you how to do that. So let me get to doing that. Okay, so right now I'm driving. What you want to do is first pay attention to your speed. What you want to do is go up to 50 miles an hour and then brake pretty harshly to, let's see, 50 to 30. So we're gonna do that. Nobody's behind me. Let's go 50 to 30 right there. Well, we went to 20, but it's okay. I think it's actually supposed to be 50 to 20. I don't know why I said 50 to 30. It's supposed to be a 30 mile per hour difference. You want to go up to 50 one more time. Right there. You want to brake. Make pretty freaking harshly. All the way to 20. One's still behind me. And you want to do that about 3 to 4 more times. So I'm gonna get to doing that, and that is it. Actually, after you do it a couple times, you got to drive 20 minutes or 10 minutes just to cool the brakes down. Try not to come to a complete stop while you're doing this. I know, well, I just barely stopped though, especially when you have new rotors. I kept the old pads, but it's fine. It's not shaking. The other ones were pretty warped, and it kept on shaking like this every time I brake. So yeah, if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments, but that's generally how you change the rotors and break them in. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.